गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। सो बच्चों, आजकल आप लोग सब कैसे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं? यस, आजकल आप लोग सब ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई करते हैं, ऑनलाइन क्लास में ज्वाइन करते हैं। तो ये सब कुछ करने के लिए आपको तो किसी ना किसी की हेल्प चाहिए रहती है ना, इज़न्ट इट? सो हु ऑल हेल्प यू टू कंप्लीट योर स्टडीज़? Yes, other than teachers, your parents at home help you to complete your studies. So, our next chapter is also about people who help us to do our daily work and finish our daily needs. Okay, so let us begin our chapter, people who help us. So, बच्चों, आप देखिए आपको ये पिक्चर्स किसकी दिख रही हैं? Yes, these pictures are of doctors and nurses. So doctors and nurses treat us when we get sick and they also help us. The next picture is that of a policeman, isn't it? So what do policemen do? Yes, policemen catch the thieves and robbers and help us to stay safe. Now bachcho, look at the next picture. Whose picture is this? Yes, this picture is that of a teacher. So what do teachers do? How do teachers help us? Teachers teach children in the school and educate them. Okay, now let us look at the next picture. So whose picture is that? Yes, very good. The next picture is that of a postman. So what do postmen do? They collect letters and delivers them to different places. So postman in this way also helps us. Now let us look at the next picture. So whose picture is that? Very good students. This picture is of a firefighter. So what do firefighters do? Firefighters go to the place where there is a fire and they extinguish the fire. वो आग को बुझा देते हैं and therefore they protect us and keep us safe and help us. So students, now let us move on to the next picture. So whose is the next picture? Yes, very good. The next picture is that of a milkman. So how do milkman help us? Simple. The milkman supplies milk to our house and help us. So students, now look at the next picture and tell me who is it? Yes, he is a vegetable seller. So how does vegetable seller help us? Yes, he brings fruits and vegetables to our houses, our locality, our neighborhood and help us. Okay students, now let us look at the next picture. So who is it? Yes, the next picture is that of a tailor. So what does tailor do? Tailor stitches our clothes and we wear them. So this is how tailor helps us. Okay students, now tell me who do you see in the next picture? Very good. He is a farmer. So what do farmers do? How do farmers help us? Yes, farmers grow fruits, vegetables in their fields and then we cook them and eat them. So this is how farmers help us. Okay students, now there are many people at home except our parents and our family members who help us. So one such person who help us at our home is the watchman. So what does watchman do? He keeps the building and the people living in the building safe at night. And the next person that we are going to learn about is our house help, housemaids. So what do? They help our parents in our doing the household work. Now students, look at the next picture and tell me who is it? Very good. This picture is that of a cobbler. Cobbler कौन होता है? Cobbler is that person who mends our shoes, repairs our shoes when they are broken. Okay students, now look at the next picture on your screen and tell me who is it? Yes, the next picture is that of a potter. तो पॉटर कौन होता है? पॉटर क्या करता है? सो पॉटर इज़ द पर्सन हु मेक्स पॉट्स एंड वेसेस फॉर अस टू यूज़. सो स्टूडेंट्स, देर आर मैनी अदर पीपल in the school other than your teachers who help you do many other things. So one such person is the picture that you see. Yes, this is the picture of the school principal. So the school principal is the head of the school and he looks after the school in each and every way. Okay, the next picture is that of a, yes, that is a peon. So what does the peon do? He rings the bell and he does many other works for the school. Then look at the next picture. Yes, who is it? What picture is it? Yes, it is that of the gardener. So what does the gardener do? The gardener keeps the garden of the school in shape. So students, have you seen this person in the next picture anywhere? Yes, you have seen now on the road. So who is he? Yes, he is the traffic policeman. So what does traffic policeman do? Traffic policeman controls the traffic on the road. So in this way they also help us. Now students, look at this picture and tell me, who is she? Very good. She is the sweeper. So what does sweepers do? Sweepers sweep the floor or clean the floor on the road and keep the roads clean so that we can walk on clean roads and we do not catch any diseases. And the next picture, you have to tell me, whose picture is it? Yes, this picture is that of a school bus and a bus driver. So what does bus drivers do? Bus drivers drive buses, and this is the school bus. So the school bus driver will drive the school bus and take children to school and back from school to their homes. Okay, so students, now let us revise the name of people who help us in our daily life. So number 1 is doctors and nurses, then policemen, then teachers, then postmen, firefighters, milkman, tailor, vegetable seller, farmer, and cobbler. Then we also learnt about the help that we get in school, that is from the principal, peon and the gardener, and then the help at home, which is from the watchman and the house help in our houses. Then we also learnt about the potter, the sweepers and the bus drivers. So all these people help us to complete our daily requirements, daily code. Okay students, so in this way we have completed our chapter People Who Help Us. Now we will complete the textbook questions. So students, let us complete the textbook exercises of chapter number 15, People Who Help Us. So it is given on page number 58. So the first question is that you have to look at the picture and write the name of the person that you see in the picture. So the first is, the dash delivers our letters and telegrams at our doorsteps. तो लेटर और टेलीग्राम कौन डिलीवर करता है? कौन करता है? Yes, postman. So we'll write here postman. P-O-S-T, post, man, M-A-N, postman. The second is, the dash works in the field. He grows grains, crops and other food items for us. तो जो खेत में, फील्ड में कौन काम करता है और हमारे लिए फूड आइटम्स को ग्रो करता है? So he is the farmer. So we'll write farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Okay. The next is, the dash stitches clothes for us. तो हमारे कपड़े कौन सिलता है? He is the tailor. So we'll write tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Next is, the dash cures us when we are sick. तो हमें कौन क्योर करता है जब हम सिक होते हैं, बीमार होते हैं? कौन करता है? डॉक्टर. सो विल राइट डॉक्टर, D-O-C-T-O-R, डॉक्टर. द डैश प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम थीव्स. तो हमें कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है थीव्स एंड रॉबर्स से? इज द policeman. Yes, so we write policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N, policeman. Okay, तो पहला क्या था? postman. Then next was farmer. Then next was tailor. Then next doctor. And last वाला policeman. Okay, so this way we have completed this exercise. Now move on to the next. So here it is, who help us. हमारी help कौन करता है? So we have to write the name of the person who helps us in doing all these things. So the first is in stitching our clothes. तो हमारे कपड़े कौन सिलता है? हमने अभी किया था. He is the tailor. So we'll write tailor here, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Then next, when we are ill. तो जब हम बीमार होते हैं, सिक होते हैं, तो कौन हमारी हेल्प करता है? डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सेज. सो वी राइट डॉक्टर, DOCTOR, एंड AND एंड नर्सेज, NURSES, डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सेज. The next, by growing food for us. तो जो फील्ड में हमारे लिए फूड ग्रेन्स ग्रो करते हैं वो कौन होते हैं? फार्मर. सो विल राइट फार्मर हियर, FARMER, फार्मर. देन नेक्स्ट इज इन डिलीवरिंग आर लेटर्स. सो हमारे लेटर्स कौन डिलीवर करता है? पोस्टमैन. सो विल राइट हियर पोस्टमैन, POST, पोस्ट, MAN, पोस्टमैन. नेक्स्ट इज बाय प्रोटेक्टिंग अस फ्रॉम थीव्स. तो हमें थीव्स से कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? ही इज द पुलिसमैन. सो वी राइट पुलिसमैन, POLICE, policeman, MAN. Then we'll move on to the second question. The second question is you have to match the person with their tools. So you have to do this on your own in your book only. Okay. So now let us move on to the next question. So the next question on this page is what would you like to be when you will be grown up? तो आपको क्या बनना है जब आप बड़े हो जाएंगे? You have to paste a picture and write a line about it. So यहाँ पे आपको उसका पिक्चर पेस्ट करना है, whatever you want to be. जब आप बड़े हो जाएं आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं और उसके बारे में यहाँ पे आपको कुछ लाइन्स लिखनी है. ओके, you have to just write a line about it. So I'll give you an example. I would like to be a, so मुझे क्या बनना था? मुझे टीचर बनना था. So I'll write teacher here. I would like to be a teacher because, क्यों बनना था? Because I enjoy teaching children. तो मैंने यहाँ पे इसीलिए ये लिख दिया. So you can write whatever you want to be and why you want to be. Okay, तो सबका अलग अलग आंसर इसमें हो सकता है. So you have to write it on your own. This is an example that I have given. Now activity at home. So क्या करना है इस एक्टिविटी में? You have to write a thank you note. So see, one thank you note for the mother is given here. Thank you mama for waking me up every day, for helping me to get ready to school, for preparing delicious food for me and for helping with my studies. तो अपनी मम्मी को थैंक यू नोट लिखा हुआ है. So you have to write 2 more thank you notes for your family members. Any family member you can write. So you have to do it on your own. See, I'll give you an example. Thank you papa. You can write thank you papa for taking me out for a picnic. Taking me out for a picnic. Okay. PICNIC. So this way you can write any more points. Then here you can write about thank you grandmother for singing a lullaby for me. So ऐसे आपको कोई भी points लिख सकते हो. So you have to do it on your own. And we'll meet in the next class.